If you erase Jupiter from the solar system, Earth dies. It really is that simple. We walk the surface of this world, looking up at the stars, convinced that we live in a peaceful, quiet neighborhood. We do not. Our solar system is a cosmic firing line. It is a chaotic, violent debris field left over from the birth of the sun. It is littered with millions of planet-killing asteroids and billions of frozen comets. Mountains of ice and jagged rock traveling through the dark at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Look out into the dark void between Mars and Jupiter. It is not empty. There is a swarm of ancient shrapnel out there. Rocks the size of mountains, silently waiting in the cold. By all laws of statistics and probability, our world should have been sterilized by a massive impact long ago. Earth should be a dead, cratered graveyard devoid of any liquid water or life. We are here because a gas giant hundreds of millions of miles away is standing in the dark, taking the bullets for us. Jupiter is not just a planet. It is a gravitational titan, a failed star. It is so massive that it weighs more than twice as much as all the other planets, moons, and asteroids in our solar system combined. Because of its sheer, terrifying mass, Jupiter dictates the architecture of our entire cosmic neighborhood. It is our gravitational anchor, but more importantly for us, it is a cosmic vacuum cleaner. Its massive gravitational well acts as an invisible shield for the inner planets. It constantly traps, deflects, and consumes the deadly debris that drifts dangerously close to Earth. You can see the evidence of this violent protection just by looking at Jupiter's moons. Look closely at Callisto. Look at Ganymede. They are ancient shields, bruised, battered, and fractured. Their surfaces are completely covered in the craters of 1 billion ancient wars. Every massive hole, every shattered crater on those moons is an asteroid that was stopped before it could reach us. They took the hits, so Earth didn't have to. But the universe is a chaotic, indifferent place. It guarantees absolutely nothing. So, what happens if that shield is suddenly gone? At first, there would be silence. For weeks, maybe even months, the night sky would look exactly the same. Humanity would continue its daily routine, completely unaware that the countdown to extinction had just begun. For 4.5 billion years, Jupiter's immense gravity has kept the asteroid belt securely on a leash, preventing those millions of rocks from flying inward. Without Jupiter holding that leash, the swarm breaks free. The chaos wouldn't happen overnight, but over thousands of years, the orbits of these asteroids and comets would warp, stretch, and completely destabilize. They would slowly bleed into the inner solar system, drawn in by the gravity of the sun, heading directly towards us. the sky would change. Instead of the occasional peaceful shooting star, the night would be slashed by dozens of blazing meteors every single hour. A beautiful but terrifying warning of what is coming. And then, the big ones arrive. When a rock the size of a city strikes the Earth, the impact alone is catastrophic. But the real killer is what happens to the atmosphere. Millions of tons of pulverized rock and ash are violently ejected into the stratosphere, wrapping the Earth in a thick, suffocating blanket of debris. The sun is blocked out completely. The Earth goes dark. Global temperatures plummet. The oceans begin to freeze over. The green continents turn white and gray. The surface becomes a freezing, toxic tomb of ash and ice. Yet, the true horror of a solar system without Jupiter doesn't stop with asteroids. Asteroids only ruin the surface. What comes next destroys the planet itself. Jupiter's gravity doesn't just block debris, it keeps the other planets in a stable rhythm. Without its stabilizing force, the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars would slowly stretch, warp, and become highly elliptical. Fast forward millions of years into the future. The inner solar system descends into total orbital chaos. Planets are pushed so far out of alignment that their gravitational pulls violently disrupt each other. The tidal forces alone would tear the Earth's crust apart. Eventually, the inner planets cross paths. The resulting orbital disaster would shatter the Earth's crust entirely. Our world would be reduced to a glowing 900-degree ocean of boiling magma. A sterile, burning hellscape, stripped of its atmosphere, completely dead, and glowing in the dark. Everything that humanity ever built, erased in a sea of eternal fire. Earth would become just another ancient, dead world drifting out in the void. The universe is a hostile, terrifying void. It does not care about our survival. It owes us nothing.